Samsung has announced the Galaxy A32 5G, and it is a step back from the Galaxy A31 in a crucial area. While the Galaxy A32 5G features up to 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage and a 5000 mAh battery, Samsung has equipped it with a paltry 720p IPS display. Pricing for Germany has only been confirmed so far, where it will retail for €279. Samsung has revealed the Galaxy A32 5G, the successor last year's Galaxy A31. We were fans of the Galaxy A31 when we reviewed it, but we thought that it offered comparatively low performance, even for a lower mid-range smartphone. Samsung appears to have rectified this concern with the Galaxy A32 5G, although it is quiet on with which chipset it has equipped the device. Currently, Samsung describes the chipset as being an octa-core 1 split into two clusters of 2 cores and 6 cores. Additionally, all cores can reach a clock speed of 2.0 GHz, which corresponds to the specifications of the MediaTek Dimensity 720. If that is the case, then the Galaxy A32 5G should also have an ARM Mali G57 MP3 GPU and a Wi-Fi 5 modem. The Galaxy A32 5G has practically the same camera hardware as its predecessor, though. On the one hand, its 48MP primary camera has a wider aperture than the 48MP sensor found in the Galaxy A31. On the other hand, its depth and front-facing cameras are lower-resolution sensors than the equivalents in the Galaxy A31. Moreover, Samsung has equipped the Galaxy A32 5G with a worse screen than the one in last year's model. Inexplicably, Samsung has replaced the 1080p and Super AMOLED screen from the Galaxy A31 with a 720p IPS panel for the Galaxy A32 5G. A combination of a 720p display with a 5000 mAh battery should yield decent battery life though. Samsung is yet to announce the price of the Galaxy A32 5G outside of Germany, where it will start at €279 with 64GB of storage. There will also be a 128GB model for an additional €20. According to the German press release, the Galaxy A32 5G will be orderable from February 12. What do you think of the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G? Please let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos every day.